Hello, Facebook friends, your pal Babbo Biagi, and I got a recipe here. I have been with you in a long time. Anyways, I'm just making some homemade sauce, and I'm using some red and orange peppers. I got some mushrooms. I got some celery. I got some pork with rosemary and garlic in it, and I'm gonna put some strained tomatoes on there after. Let these get nice and brown, and then we're going to add the tomatoes. And that's going to be our sauce. And then I'm going to let it simmer for maybe a couple hours or so. We'll see. So mix them all up. As you see, oh, it's nice. Lovely aroma. I'll be right back. It's going pretty good. As you can see. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Okay. And there we go. I just added the strained tomatoes, and I'm going to let it cook. I'm just going to let it simmer for a couple of hours. And that's the sauce I make. So Babbo Biagi's world famous sauce with, like I said, red and orange peppers, mushrooms, celery, pork with sausage with rosemary and garlic, and of course strained tomatoes. And that's going to be the sauce. Okay, and I'm going to let you know how good it's going to taste. Anyways, in the meantime, and in between times, your pal Babbo Biagi saying buon appetito amici and arrivederci. Ciao.